What's going on, everybody? So today in Destin, Florida, taking care of a Cessna 182, and it is going to turn out absolutely awesome. It has a clear coat on it, so it's actually a clear coated airplane, which is totally not normal. And but it's a special clear coat, so not the kind that you would find on your vehicles. But this is a beautiful plane. It has a lot of bugs on here. It's in great shape. The owner, this is his first airplane. He worked all his life to get an airplane, and this is it. This is really cool. And it's totally awesome. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, and then going to put a nice coat of wax on this entire airplane and keep it looking great. Of course, do a little light polish on it as putting the wax on, and after putting the oil. Do a light polish, then put the wax on, forgive me, and then from there, hit the inside. And as you can see, this plane is in great shape. This is a brand spanking Cessna. Beautiful plane. So anyway, gonna get the camera set up. I will do a time lapse on it, and I hope you enjoy this. And let's go. Let's get this whole project going. Okay, everybody, so the first thing is first, see all these bugs that are down here? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get them off. But I'm gonna use a special technique to remove these bugs. As you can see, I'm gonna pre-treat the entire front. And I'm not using anything abrasive, definitely not using dryer sheets. I know some people love to use dryer sheets to get bugs off, but we're not doing that. Don't do that on the car, and you're definitely not doing it on an airplane. So, using very special technique. If you enjoy, it's pretty satisfying. And of course, one of the biggest things that I preach is let the product do the work. And that's what allowing this to do, is let the product do the work. Otherwise, if you just spray it and immediately wipe, you're wasting product. Because then you're gonna apply more product. And what's the point in doing that? Yeah. All right, so just wrapped up with the Cessna 182, and I'm gonna show you the after results here. Turned out absolutely beautiful.